How to use AliExpress Coins. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to your application AliExpress. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on its home page. Well, in this page, over here, you should see the option where it says Coins. Simply click on it. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. So at the very top, you can see I only have 60 coins for now. In order to have more coins, tap on Collect. There you go, 20 coins has been collected. Now let's see how you can use this coin. Scroll down and over here you can see it says Use Coins for Discounts. Well, tons of different items will be visible to you. From here, select any of the product that you want to purchase. You can also see it says you will get certain % off with the help of the coin. Let's say I want to purchase this product. Click on it. Now tap on Buy Now at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Place Order. You have to enter your payment method, as in you can enter your credit or debit card. Enter all the information and then tap on Save and Confirm. Once you have entered your card, at the time of the payment, you will receive certain amount of discount according to the coins that you have it. Well, you do not have to do any other thing. Simply make the purchase and then you will be able to receive certain amount of discount with the help of your coin. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use AliExpress Coins. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.